Alright, so like I said, today I'll be breaking this lesson into various categories. So just like you have it in your university days, we have 100 level 2 to final years. So I'm going to be taking these classes basic by basic, lesson 1, lesson 2, however it goes. So this is for beginners, how to use filmora for beginners. Now what is filmora? Filmora is an editing software, a video editing software. Sometimes, a lot of times, I also use filmora for voiceover, voice recording. Some of these adverts you see on television, so I use filmora as well to do audio recording, like I'm doing presently now. I connected my microphone to filmora software. So now, if you install filmora, this, you can see my mouse clicking. This one here is the filmora software. This is the shortcut when you install it. But mind you, because of this class, I installed a trial version of filmora because I already have it on my main laptop, my main system, but this is just like a tutorial system. So this one I have here is a trial version. So what you need to do is you click it. Once you click, it brings out an interface where you have new project or a safe project that you want to work. So for today, I'll be using a new project. Okay, I'll be using a new project. So once I click the new project, okay, so it gives me this interface, like what I want to do and how I want to do what I want to do. Okay, yes, it's still recording. How I want to do what I want to do. So for today, we will be importing files. Now, some of the videos you work on are called files. So this is what I want to talk about. You see an interface where you have import media files. There's one media, the second one is audio, titles, transition, effect, elements, import. So if you're a beginner and you want to start learning the basics for a video editing class, you need to start by learning how to import your files. So if you click import, it takes you to another interface where it shows you where that particular video is. Mind you, you would have recorded the video, or the particular file you want to edit would have been in your system. So let me say I have lots and lots of videos I want to edit here. Some of these videos actually went on the road. Okay, but for the sake of this class, I'm going to take let me take 4. So 1, I'll hold my control key down so that I can select as many as possible. 2, 3, 4, and let me make it 5. Okay, so then I open. So once you open it, automatically import all the files to this platform here. So it depends on the one you want to start with. For example, I already know the files I want to start with, so I'll just click this one here, or basically you may click and drag. So when you click, it shows you the resolution or frame rate of the media does not match. If you don't care about changing the settings, fine, you just click match to media, so it imports automatically to this workspace here. Now this particular space here, you're seeing this person shows you the product. I will use the product, the result of what you want to do. Whatever work that is here, that is what is going to be displaying here. So for example, I'm going to use my space bar to click play, but basically this is the play button. This one here, this is the play button. So when you click play, you see a particular red timer going through the video, the timeline, you could see. So when you click stop, it stops. It stops rolling. I'll take it back to the beginning. So the first thing I want to show you people today is how to cut videos, join them, and make all the videos one. Okay, so I've imported this video, and if I click play, I may not need from 0 to the 5 seconds. Okay, So all I need to do is to pause, click the video, and come to this tool here that looks like a scissors and click it. Once I click it, it automatically cuts the video. So I'll take out the part I don't need. So I'm going to take out this first part here and I will click delete, or I'm Control Zing it. Once I click it, there's this delete icon here. I delete. Okay, then I'll click and drag this video to the first part. Mind you, if you don't click and drag to this first part to cover all this time frame, by the time you're exporting your video, it will record all those parts as empty and you wouldn't need that. Okay, so I take this second video now. Okay, let me take my timer here, put it here. I'll take this second video and I'll click and drag. Okay, I'm clicking and drag, I'll join it here. So by the time I click play, you see it automatically goes into the second video. I hope you can see. One video to another, you can see what effect it will bring now. Good. And don't mind this system. By the time we export the video, you will see the basic lesson. You can easily use that to do the needful. Alright, so let me pause this. Okay,